Hello YouTube, this is KJ Morgan here giving you another video. Today we will be unboxing the Beats Solo 3 Pop Collection. I just opened up the box just to see, just so the information won't show my address and stuff. So here it is. It's in a gift wrap. This is Apple's gift wrapping. I never got this before. This is really cool. It comes with a little letter. I think this is whatever the person typed on it. Let's just flip it upside down. Here it is. Oh my god. It has little red ribbons on it on both sides. They're elastic. And it opens up just like a Christmas present. Oh, it's another little apple. Oh jeez, I'm so sorry guys. It's another. Hello YouTube, this is KJ Morgan here giving you another video. Today we'll be unboxing the new Pop Collection Beats Solo 3 wireless headset, up to 40 hours battery life. And these, I forgot what color these are, but yeah, they came. I bought the MacBook Pro with the college bundle, and I picked up these, and these are really. I like my last Solo Beats, so I wanted to get a different pair this time and a different color. So yeah, here's the back. Wi-Fi, wireless Bluetooth, battery life up to 40 hours. Fast fuel, 5-minute charge equals 3 hours. This is actually like really accurate. It does have fast charging capabilities, and I really enjoy that. And the battery fuel, built-in wireless mic. The wireless mic is really good. I really enjoy it. And then here are the cables that comes with it. So let's get started. Let's see. I cut it at the top. Okay. Then we're going to just. I hate this. There we go. Let's see. I want to see what the case looks like. I really do. Right here, it says change the way you hear sound. Oh, that's a light blue. Here is the case they're in. This is a light blue with lime green coloring. And you open this up, right? Yeah. And here are the Beats. This is the instruction guide. This is the cable for your phone, power, and they have a little clip. I'm so happy I got a new clip because mine just broke. Oh my god. Hey, back. Here are the instruction guide, and it has a little piece of tape on it. Like, Apple question mark, what you doing? And it just has Beats. Let's see. Oh, it comes with a sticker. I really love the sticker. Beats Solo 3. Oh, why wanted it open? Okay, there we go. And it's for iOS 10 and plus. Turn on device. What was video focus? There we go. Turn on Bluetooth. Slide up, and automatically just connects to your phone. It pops it really quickly, and it's good for Mac, iPad, and Watch OS 3. And then it shows you how to control it. And yeah, comes with the little stickers. And so let's get these right out of their little case. Oh, this is cool. Yay. They look smaller than last year for some reason. And here they are in their glory. This is really weird. Beets and the lime, and I think this is electric blue, I believe. And something. Yeah, I don't. Oh, indigo. Oh, this is pop indigo. Oh. Yeah. So here they are. I'm going to get my phone really quickly, and I'm going to show you how fast the setup is. Here is my iPhone X and the Beats. So the power button is on this side. It's a little dot right there. Just hold it. It's looking for something to pair to. Oh, wait, did I have my Bluetooth on? Yeah. There we go. Oh. Oh my gosh. No, this is bad. Hold on. Hello YouTube, I'm back with my phone and my Beats. So I'm gonna turn on the Beats. And bam. That's how quick it is. Press connect. And they make a little sound, and they're at 82%. So yeah, it's that simple. I can go and I can listen to some I don't know, let's see. Let's do my new, I don't know. And yeah, that's pretty much it. These are the Beats Solo 3 unboxing. This is a mini unboxing. I didn't want to go straight in depth on these because I did unbox these last year and they are on my channel. So if you want to go into a little more in depth of these, you can check them out on the link is going to be in the description, and I'm going to have one of those little things pop up so you can just click on it if you want to watch it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and